Hi everyone, I'm Soheila Qobadipouya, an Oracle Apex developer. Today I want to talk to you about a common problem in Oracle Apex when working with redirect. When you change a page item and then try to redirect to another page, Apex automatically not submit the updated values, and as a result, the changes you made on page items aren't passed to second page, and it can cause a serious issues in your application. Today, I will show you how to fix it easily. In this tutorial, I learn you how to pass the updated values either open a modal or redirecting to another page. Let's start and solve this problem for once and for all. At first, let me create the application. I want to create a new application, so for example, maybe check this. It's not important for our learning, but I check them. Today I want to install FOS Redirect plugin. And with this plugin, you can manage all the updated values and submit whatever you want to your session and then redirect to new page. For example, I have a application, and at first I want to redirect a page item to another one without any redirect. For example, here I have a page item, new, and I have a button. In my button, I check, I select, for example, page 2. Let me create another page. I would like create, for example, modal page. Modal and second page for my page name. Okay. Here I have a P2 underline new page item, and in first I would like to redirect another page in this application, page 2, clear session 2, and I want to send P1 underline new to P2 underline new. Let's check it. For example, 1 and then redirect. As you see, my updated value didn't send to my second page. For FOS Redirect, you should download the first link in GitHub. You should download it and install in your plugin. you should go in your shell component, plugins, import, select your file, then click on next and then next, and install your plugin. Okay, let me back to my home page and try the second way to redirect my page. Redirect without FOS or redirect. I can choose by default, and now let me remove the space, and now I need another button, and I would like to change its name with dialog by FOS. Here I should create a dynamic action. In dynamic action, as you see, we have a new action. I choose this action, and as you see, I have a new action in my execute FOS Redirect plugin. Here I can set my page and choose my page items. Okay, and you should select check the submit page items before redirect, and here you should select your page item that you want to pass to another page item. Let's check it. For example, I enter 3, and as you see, we could pass our page item to another page. And if you check the session state, you can see P2 underline new have updated values. Okay, if you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like it, subscribe to channel, and share with your friends. I'd be happy if you leave me a comment too. And by the way, don't forget to turn on notification on your YouTube channel so you'll be the first one that get my latest video that I upload on YouTube channel. If you need more tutorial, you can visit my website oracleapextips.com, and if you like to have a private class, or if you want a senior Oracle Apex developer in your team, feel free to contact me. Have a great time. I will see you very soon.